In this video, I will show you how to hide photos on your iPhone. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. So the first thing we're going to do is to open up the Photos app on our phone. Then you're going to select the picture that you wish to hide. Once you do, go ahead and tap on the three dots that you see on the top right corner of your screen. And here you're going to have different options. One of them is going to be hide. Go ahead and select that option. And now you're going to get this, which is pretty much telling you that this picture is going to be hidden, but that you can find it on the hidden album on your phone. So go ahead and select hide photo. And as you can see, if we go back to my pictures, we won't be able to see that photo that we just hid. If you want to see that picture, what you have to do is go back to photos. You're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and under utilities, you're going to see the hidden album. For privacy purposes, you do have to use Face ID to open up this album, and that way you can see the picture that was just hidden. If you want to take that picture back to your album, just simply tap the three dots and select on hide. And that's it. I hope this video helped you.